So I love this feature because it means that essentially you slap down your iPad next to your machine if as long as they're signed into the exact same Apple ID, and then for now that's a commercial Apple ID and not a managed Apple ID. You can essentially use the cursor and keyboard on your Mac to control the interface on the iOS device or iPadOS device that's next to you, which means you can continue to do amazing things with the touch interface or the pencil interface for iPadOS, and then use copy and paste to go back and forth between the machines directly. It's just like having an extra set of hands. It's incredible to see how this works. What I think is most fun about it is that you just move your cursor across the screen, and it's like breaking through a barrier, right? It's like you're going through a little bit more resistance to get over to the iPad screen, which I think is a fascinating experience.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.